Hello good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to apply conditional formatting using a date range in Excel. So in this example, I have products and their corresponding expiry dates. I want to create a conditional format on these products so that those products that are within 3 months to expiry will always be highlighted. To do this, we are going to work with this date and today's date. When you are working with dates in Excel, the underlying value in this date is a number representing the number of days since 1st January 1900. So often you can see days displayed like this. So I achieve this by formatting the date as general. So this represents 44,291 days since 1st January 1900. This date is my future date. Today's date, you can extract today's dates using today's function equal to today, open close brackets, enter. Again, if I format this using the general format, I also get the underlying value. I'm showing you this so you know you can easily subtract dates to find the number of days between 2 points or 2 dates. So this is the big date, this is the small date. Now, to format back, you can press Ctrl+Shift# or 3 for the Windows keys. Ctrl+Shift#, and I'm back here. So I'm going to subtract this minus that and check if whatever I get here, which is 295 days, is less than 90 days. This is the equation. Now, if it is true, I'll get true. If it is false, I'll get false. So bottom line, anytime this triggers a true, I want the product to be highlighted. This is the equation I'm going to use in my conditional format. Now, instead of using the static cell, you can replace it with the today function. So you have a dynamic equation. This today is linked to your computer's date. So anytime you refresh or open it, you can always get the current date. So I'm going to copy this and then go to highlight my products, go to home, conditional formatting, and then new rule. There are ways you can apply conditional format, but for this purpose we are using a formula. So you select a formula and then you bring an equal to and put in your equation. After this, you determine what color you want, and I'm going to choose yellow in this case. I'll click OK. I'll click OK. So you realize that even if the dates is passed, it will still be included in the equation because it's still less than 90 days. Now, if let's say I change this to 2020, then close up is also highlighted automatically. You can apply it in different case studies. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this number. We'll add you to our broadcast list. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Please click subscribe for notification of new videos or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.